All right, so what's going on, everyone? Today is the 1st of May, 2025. We're going to talk about HBAR today. Do you all a favor and hit that like, share, and subscribe for more of my videos and my prediction as to where I suspect the market's trying to go. Without the confusion, you guys can currently see right now in HBAR that we do have a price prediction here. And the idea around April the 10th was for us to look for HBAR to go higher. So if I extend this price prediction over to the right to April the 25th, you guys can see that HBAR did hit our ultimate TP price on the 25th of April, which is around 17.25%. All right, so cool. Let's go ahead and get rid of that. We will also get rid of this sell pocket right here in HBAR. And now you guys can currently see that the current issue right now in HBAR is this sell pocket. That is the current place that the buyers are trying to eradicate so that they can continue to push the price up higher in HBAR. So if the market doesn't go any higher, we already know what is the cause, what is the reason. It is these people within this pocket that is selling their HBAR into the market. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at the market in HBAR on the 2 real quick. So here it is on the 2-day chart. Currently we have a day and 14 hours on this current 2-day price bar. Market did get rejected twice. Okay, right there, that first price bar, and then again on this next one right there. So back-to-back rejection for the buyers in the market in HBAR could resemble what we saw even back in March, to where the market got rejected twice, and you guys can see the result into the price action in HBAR. Let's look at this on the 3. Okay, so currently on the 3, I really don't like this 3-day price bar in the sense that it doesn't look bullish. The volume definitely came through on that 3-day price bar, and the market did close down there towards the low of the bar. Here it is on the 4. Same thing here on the 4. Let's take a look at HBAR here on the 5. Okay, so you can see on the 5-day chart that HBAR is sort of trending up higher in price. You guys can see that. Okay, so we are trending to the upside in HBAR, but maybe we might have apex. Maybe we probably hit the top. We might see some more volatility try to push down the market in HBAR, something that we need to keep our eyes open on. Here it is on the weekly chart. Okay, so here it is on the 2, real quick, 3, 5, and this is the month of month of April right here. This is how it ended. This is how it concluded. And basically, we can say that the sellers really wasn't that active for the month of April. And the reason why I say that is because the volume is definitely not coming through. It's definitely a lot lighter than what it was 2 months ago. And then we can see that the price was able to close off of the lows for the month of April up here towards mid to high end of the bar, which resembles more buyers coming into the space for HBAR. Here it is on the 5-hour chart right here. Boom. You guys can see that this is where buyers are approaching the market. That's why price is currently lifting. So that's a good signal for us to keep our eyes open. So we're going to create this area right here as a buy pocket. Okay, on the 5-hour chart. Here it is on the 330. So yeah, that's definitely a very strong indication that these buyers came through. So it looks like the market in HBAR is going to try to hit that 20-cent area again. So we're going to try to target that area in the market for HBAR. I want us to see where are these buyers at on this low end right here first. Okay, so we'll hold this one. We'll get rid of that one, and we hold these 2 buy pockets as a reference to know whether or not the sellers are in control or the buyers are. Because as long as the price bounces from these 2 buy pockets, we know that the market is still strong, that those buyers are still trying to control the price action in HBAR. So what we're going to do back on the daily, we're going to anticipate higher prices in the market for HBAR still. Okay. And we're going to target this 20-cent area again. Okay, we saw that it got rejected a couple of times before. So it won't be out the norm for us to see another rejection into the market in HBAR. That's around 20 cents, 5 3/4% market move there. And then after that, we're going to try to target the high end of that sell pocket, was around 15.5%. maybe around like 22 cents or so. Okay, so that's it. I am done. Go ahead and give me your thoughts. Let me know. Make sure you guys maintain profit. And as always, trade different.